I'll just sit here, you just do it.
Okay, welcome to another episode. And so, hopefully you've seen the intro and you know who I am. The Herald, so as you know, I've got Herald at home, a little 125, brand new one. And she's lovely and I love her, but she doesn't sound very mean at all. I would say more like an elevated moped, which isn't really what you're into when it comes to bikes. So we have this for my custom build Herald.
So I'm gonna make it sound good using this.
I mean, she sounds nice at the moment, so and I think this one's gonna sound more than good.
Oh, this one's gonna sound mean by the time I finish it. A little shorty for a 125. Gonna be showing Joe exactly how much fun it is to cut an exhaust using an angle grinder.
Yeah,
then
I
weld
might give
this
it a
back on.
go. We'll see.
We'll see. See how you go. Cut it, weld this on, job done. Simple as. That's what we're gonna do today.
That's the one. Let's get this sorted.
I want you to take the exhaust off.
Okay. What's the vibe?
Got these there.
Yeah.
So there's a 13mm socket on there. Cool.
I have caught myself an exhaust. I feel like a fisherman. You know when they get a trout out the water. Was that done in the expected safety way? Oh, what's that?
That's water from the flood.
Oh, cool.
That's all the exhaust.
Still going.
Reminds me, I should call her.
Yeah, cool.
That content is not going on.
That content's not going on. He's a meanie. He's a meanie when it comes to what should go on and shouldn't go on. I think you guys should let us know whether this is boring and you think it's boring and you want him to do the normal thing, or if you prefer it to let us know.
So by putting a tack weld on,
Yeah.
I'm essentially holding it so I can take the exhaust off now and it won't move.
So you kind of look like a weird futuristic bishop with that up like that. Sorry.
Kids have some blessing this bike.
Yeah. Okay, sorry, tack weld. I don't mean to make you feel self-conscious.
It allows me to take the exhaust off now and I know exactly that I've positioned that exhaust in the right place.
Basically, so you don't have to weld with all those sparks right close to the bike. You can take it somewhere a little bit easier to function around.
It's a difficult place to get to with a welder.
Okay.
And I can't do a little weld all the way around.
Yeah.
So I need to take the exhaust off.
Okie dokie. So tack weld is basically putting it on a little bit so it stays where it needs to, and then you know it's in the right place so you can weld it properly, correct?
Yeah, that's it.
Awesome.
And there we have it. The exhaust, all done, fabricated, put on Herald, and obviously wrapped it. Sounds a lot better, a lot better. And what these videos are is almost taking it present day. There's a massive void obviously where this channel wasn't on air or wasn't broadcasting every week as it should have been. And what we have got is fragments of footage here and there. We're just piecing everything together because what we didn't do at that moment is put massive effort into creating a proper video or anything like that. But as videos progress, you'll see more and more effort, and we were just playing around more than anything. We never thought the Herald was going to be a proper bike on the channel, but it is coming along. Next week's video though will be the BMW R100, where the tank is sprayed and painted, and you can find out what the colour of that is. So if you like what you see, and if you want to keep up to date with the BMW R100, which hasn't been on the screen in a while, then subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and join me next week.